Healthy hair begins inside the tool, where professional-grade materials like tourmaline ceramic infuse negative ions into the hair, producing high-caliber, high-shine results. When compared to inexpensive, bargain dryers, the FHI brand's dryer is a powerhouse. As the air is pulled through the high-efficiency motor, the coils and tourmaline ceramic mix with the air, steadily warming and charging it with negative ions that condition and protect the hair. Traditional heat overpowers and boils the moisture out of the hair, leaving dry, damaged cuticles. The tourmaline ceramic heat of an FHI brand's dryer breaks down water molecules into smaller particles to penetrate, allowing the hair to maintain essential moisture.
Transform your hair with consistent, even heat with Thermalux, Remington's latest innovation. The Thermalux collection has a tool to achieve any styling need, from straightening to curling to drying. Do you hate frizz? Thermalux dries hair faster with less heat damage. The professional AC motor and hybrid concentrator are specifically designed to help reduce hot spots and deliver high, even heat for a smooth, shiny finish. The dryer also features a salon-quality fabric cord for an easy, tangle-free experience. The Remington Thermalux collection optimizes heat to transform your hair into gorgeous styles that last all day. Thermalux by Remington.
Panasonic.